guys. The sun is shining, it's absolutely glorious, and I managed to get hold of some Indian mangoes which are in season right now, and we cherish them because it's a very short season and we get it only for a few weeks. So I'm going to make eggless mango pancakes. So let's go to the kitchen and get cooking. I have got here 200 ml of whole milk, and I'm just going to add some lemon juice. So a tablespoon and a half of lemon juice, or half a lemon juice. And then you can see that the milk has started to curdle, and that is going to give us our buttermilk. Here I've got 200 grams of plain flour. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Also goes in 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. I have got here one mango. This is a Kesar. You can use Alfonso or any other ripe mango you like, or you can get hold of. So I'm just going to puree the pulp of one mango. Never waste this. Oh my god, it's heavenly. It's such a shortler season. The joy. Oh my god. So here's all the dry ingredients. Here are all the dry ingredients. And for all those who are going to ask me how much is the mango pulp, it's going to be actually exactly 60 grams. So that's 70 grams actually. That was the last 10 grams more. So 70 grams of mango pulp. Now a teaspoon of vanilla extract for some lovely flavor. And then goes in our buttermilk. You can see that it has split, and that goes in here. And the last thing to go is 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Going to whisk this so that it's nice and smooth. Just going to brush this pan with a little bit of oil, butter actually. I've got melted butter here, and then I'm going to pour a spoonful of this. Actually 2 spoonfuls of this lovely mixture. When you can see these bubbles popping up, that's when you just flip it over. And after a few seconds of cooking on the other side, you can see it is done. I've got here 200 ml of double cream, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and then whisk it. And here they are ready. We got 7 out of that whole mixture, and now the best bit to assemble it, I've got the whipped cream we just made with double cream and sugar. Goes on top. Oh boy, they are so fluffy and squidgy and delicious. And I've got some mango puree here. It's a total of 2 mangoes. And I'm going to drizzle that on top as well. And then I'm going to finish it with raspberries, because raspberries is a great combination with mangoes. Absolutely delicious. And the last bit, look at that. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. And the last bit, I'm going to finish it with the drizzle of golden syrup. Oh my god, I can't wait to tuck it, and this is going to be so interesting to eat. It is so fluffy. Come look. Come in. Have a look at how fluffy. Just look how fluffy these pancakes are. You will not miss the eggs. A bit of cream, a bit of... Oh my god. They're so light. Oh, don't fall. Oh my god, this is delicious. I can taste the mango, so lovely, and they are one of the best pancakes I've ever made, if I say so myself. Please do try, subscribe, share, comment, let me know which is your favorite pancake topping. Sia's waiting to take the plate. Do you want to take the plate? Yeah. Go on then. That tastes so good. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm just trying to eat it.
Okay. Bye for now. Camera guy.
It's good.
You haven't even eaten it.
Yeah, I have.
Oh, have you? Okay.
There.
I see. Happy kids. Very, very happy kids.